So let us start our video. I'll open my VS Code here and my VS Code has opened. So I'll create an index.html file to write my HTML and a style.css for CSS. So here I have two files, index.html and style.css file. So index.html I'll put boilerplate and link my HTML and CSS file. So I'll give it title Merry Christmas theme changer and I'll create a div with class Merry Xmas and inside this I'll write Merry Christmas. So I'll add a class for the body, so I'll add white and I'll give it an ID theme bg. So in style.css file I'll do some styling. So first I'll open my live server here and my live server has started. So here I get Merry Christmas. So in style.css file I will add body height 100 vh overflow hidden and dot white background. So I'll give it a light background such as E4, E3, E8. So this is a light background and as you can see I get background here. And I'll add custom selection body dot white colon selection background. So this is light red color and if I select I don't get nothing. So I will use star and now if I select I get custom background and I'll add color to it. Color hashtag the same color and now if I select I get custom color. So I'll use dot red background hashtag this color which is a red color and color a light color. And now if I add red class to my body I get red background, but if I select it I get default selection color. So for that I will use the same CSS file and I'll change the colors. So I'll change the white to red and color. So I have changed the colors and now if I select I get white background and red color. So I'll change this color a bit and I'll make it more darker. And now if I select I get white background and red color text. So I'll create a div with class ICO and with ID theme and inside that I will add icon. So I'll search for snow icon text and I'll copy this logo and paste it inside my ICO file. And now if I here I get custom icon here. So I'll style this icon a bit. So I'll use .ico font size 60 pixels and now this icon becomes large and position absolute top 3% right 3% and now the icon is on top right. So I'll add cursor pointer so that if I hover this icon I get pointer cursor. And now I'm going to style the Xmas text. So I'm going to use dot Merry Xmas. So I'll change the body class from red to white. Display flex align items center justify content center height 450 pixels, then width 450 pixels. So now if I open it, I get a big circle, but we can't see it. So I'll add position absolute of 50%, left 50%, transform, translate, translate minus 50%, minus 50%. And now this text is in center. And border radius 50%, font size 40 pixels, and text align center. So now this has custom stylings, and I'm going to add box shadow to it. So I'm going to use body dot white, which is our class white, and Merry Xmas background hashtag the white color, box shadow 20 pixels, 20 pixels, 60 pixels, hashtag some color, and I get custom box shadow. So I'll add another box shadow styling of minus 20 pixels, minus 20 pixels, 60 pixels, EDECF1. And now we get neomorphic effect in the box. And I'm going to add body dot red dot Merry Xmas, and I'm going to add another colors to it. So I'm going to use the red color as my background, and I'll change this color to red. And now if I change the body class to red, I get custom neomorphic effect. So now let us create the theme changer. So I'm going to use JavaScript for it. I'll create a JavaScript file called app.js, and now I'll add functions. I'll create variables where theme is equal to document dot get element by id, and I'm going to use the theme id. So first I'll link the HTML and JavaScript file, and where theme vg is equal to document dot get element by id theme vg, which is our background of the body. And now if I add console.log hello, and if I inspect it and open my console, I get hello. That means my JavaScript is successfully loaded. So to add snowfall effect, I'm going to use a JavaScript library called snowstorm.js. So you can visit the snowstorm.js official website. I'll provide the website link in the description box. So now I'll download Snowstorm latest version. So you get a zip file. If you want to extract this zip file, you have to download WinRAR. I'll provide the WinRAR link in the description box too, and I'll open this file. So here you get few HTML and JavaScript files. So the HTML files are the demo of snowstorm.js. So you have to just extract snowstorm.js file into your website location. So I'll export in the Merry Christmas theme changer folder, and here I get a snowstorm.js file. So this file is of 667 lines. So I will add script src snowstorm.js, and now if I open my website, I get custom snow effect. So for better view, you can change the background to red, and here as you can see I get custom snow effect. So there are many functions of snowstorm.js. You can add custom snow color and everything else. So I'm going to add custom snow color. So I'm going to use snowstorm.snowcolor, and I'm going to add white color for the snow, and I get white color snow here. So now I'll add custom JavaScript to change the theme. So I created two variables, theme and theme.bg. So I'm going to remove console.log and I'm going to add theme.onClick is equal to function if theme.bg dot class list dot contains white, then theme.bg dot class list dot replace white red. So now if I click this, so first I'll change the theme to white, and now if I click this, the theme changes to red. So I'll open the inspect tab, and now if I click this, as you can see, the body's class replaces to red. So our JavaScript is successfully working. Then else theme bg dot class list dot replace red white. So now if I click this button, the theme changes to red, and if I click this button again, the theme changes to white. So this is how you can create custom snow effect, and you can create Christmas poster using few lines of JavaScript and HTML. So you can also add custom font here. So I'll open fonts.google.com, and there's a font called Satisfy. So this font looks great for the Christmas, and now I'll copy these stylings and add it inside the import tag, and I'll copy this CSS and paste it in the body tag. And now as you can see, we get custom font here, and this website looks more cooler. So this is how you can create custom Christmas poster with just few lines of HTML and JavaScript. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, then share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe and go to Niranjan too. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.